Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you two easy ways on how to redeem Microsoft gift card. So let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft, I need you to just follow the on-screen instructions, click the sign up button, and you're good to go. Redeeming a Microsoft gift card is a straightforward and easy process that can be done in two easy ways, alright? So number one is, I need you to go to the Microsoft Store, right here. And of course, all you have to do is go to the upper right corner here on your profile picture. I need you to click on the redeem code or gift cards, alright? Now what will happen is, you just need to enter the 25 character code. And after doing so, just press the enter. If your code is correct, you will be proceeding to the next option, wherein the code will reflect on your Microsoft Store balance, all right? Just make sure you type in slowly. Now, for example, you wanted to, let's say, click this Godzilla and Kong, the New Empire. All right, it starts at $12.99. I want you to click on this one, and if you wanted to watch it or buy it, you have the option to buy it or watch it in the Prime Video or on the Microsoft Store. You have the option for high definition, standard definition, and the ultra high definition. Now, I'm going to click on this option right here. And what will happen is, as you can see, you just need to add a new payment method. And of course, you can basically use the redeem a gift card, which you have. And again, like the earlier, you just need to enter the 25 character code. Make sure you are typing it slowly and it's correct, because what will happen is you're not going to be able to redeem your code if it's incorrect. Otherwise, you need to make sure that the code hasn't expired. That's one way. The next way that we can redeem a code here in Microsoft is just go to the official Microsoft website. Now, on your search browser, I need you to type in redeem.microsoft.com. Okay? What will happen is you will be forwarded to the specific page. That's going to be the services and subscription. Like your Microsoft Store, all they have to do is put in your 25 character code, and of course, the balance will be reflected to your account. Okay, make sure the code is correct. And if you have any questions about the code, you might want to go to the Microsoft Store and check if you are having problems redeeming the Microsoft gift card. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.